Hello everyone, I'm Nixin. Today I would like to introduce my demo application. We call it PatentSolver. PatentSolver aims to provide engineers a way to achieve inventive ideas from existing US patents for solving their target problems. It combines several natural language processing approaches, including different types of neural networks. Now let me introduce it in detail. Firstly, we click on the top left corner button. We can see that we mainly provide 6 functions. We test them one by one. For patent details creeper, we can randomly type several US patent numbers. And then click on Run button. After a moment, we can see that the details are ready. We provide you several dates related to the patent, and the names of inventors, companies who contend the using right of the patent, citation details, and statistical details. With the patent link we provide, you will be able to this patent's Google website to check the details. Download button is used to download this data as CSV format. When users want to have patent content, please choose second function. Firstly, follow our reminder. We go to USPTO official website to choose a patent in XML format. Since this format is not friendly to read it, we can upload that file into our demo application, and then click on Run button. We can see that text file is ready. With this text patent files, you will be able to easily check patent content. And then, function 3 will use these files to extract problems. We can see that the final results contain patent number, patent sentences, patent title, and corresponding domains they belong to. With the target problem you choose, we can use function 4 to extract similar problems from different domain patents. Firstly, you copy-paste problem sentence that you chosen, and then choose the domain it belongs to. We provide 2 different models according to worldwide neural networks and ListTM neural networks to let you get your results. We firstly choose IDM similar model and then choose 1 month as compared time period. With 0.85 similarity threshold, we run it. We can see that final results from different domains and corresponding similarity value compared to the target problem. We also can download it by the button. Let us test some IDM model now. We still choose the same target problem with a 0.4 of similarity threshold, and then run it. When you use them on your downstream task, you should test and verify several times and choose a suitable threshold for your task. After a moment, we get the results and can download it. For the function 5, it will provide you light and inventive solutions for the target problem. Firstly, upload the results from function 4. Since GPU is expensive, we don't provide it here. But when you run it on your machine and you have GPU, please choose yes. It will greatly accelerate the process. We click on Run button and wait at least several minutes to get the results. For the function 6, we can rank these light and inventive solutions. We firstly upload the results of function 5 and then click on Run button. We explain different weights assigned to different features and their corresponding meanings. PatentSolver will illustrate the statistical values of these patent inventive indicators. Finally, we can see that target problem with potential inventive solutions and their rankings, domains, patent number are illustrated here. We can also download it as a CSV file. Alright, this is PatentSolver. See you next time.